Happy Tuesday Vibe, entrepreneurs of the ether. Today I want to talk about the authenticity of taking leaps. Remember that time you thought your business idea was way too out there to work, but yet here you are basking in the glow of a neon open sign? Yeah. Imagine your journey as a wild, unrestrained road trip through the landscapes of innovation. But there are, of course, pit stops at Failure Falls and Success Springs. Why? Well, because sometimes the GPS, aka the general public sentiment, tells you you're veering way off course. But man, that scenic route holds the keys to uncharted territories and untapped markets. You see, as a podcaster, I've danced with controversy. I've waltzed with the unexpected and occasionally tangled with a few trolls. But every episode, every soundbite, and every unexpected twist in the narrative has been nothing but a mere stepping stone into the realm of the unscripted, unfiltered authenticity, just being me. So what's your podcast, my dear business adventurers? What medium will carry your unapologetic authenticity into the world, shaking the digital trees and perhaps toppling a few proverbial apples? Well, all you need to do is launch your Tuesday vibe with the authenticity of a startup in Silicon Valley and the courage of a solopreneur, and perhaps the mischief of a marketer who isn't afraid to tickle, push, and punch the status quo. So, here's to the wild rides, here's to the unexpected victories, and the stories yet to be told. May your vibes be ever vibrant, and your days be terrifically tumultuous.